Up next on the channel, the Decluttering and Deep Cleaning video series. Hello again everyone, my name is Misty Nicole from LadyPrefersToSave.com, and today I am part of another awesome collab, again from Roxanne of The Guy's Life, the month-long decluttering challenge. And this week I'm going to start by deep cleaning my kitchen, and to get started I'm just waiting for my husband to finish clean and to start with getting to scrubbing. Everything that gets washed has to be dried and put up, as well as wiping down the countertops and tackling a few last-minute projects in the kitchen. Because I wanted to make black beans the next day, I went ahead and soaked some black beans in the crock pot and placed those in the refrigerator. And I had a few limes left over from Cinco de Mayo that I needed to use up, so I went ahead and added those to the hydrator before I tackled wiping down the counters and vacuuming and steam mopping my way out of the kitchen. And now that my deep clean is done, I did get a little bit of decluttering finished. I went ahead and moved the last of my food out of my formal pantry into the cabinet in mason jars, and this cleared up enough room for my small appliances and to have the last of the commercial litter and my recycling bins put in my closet, and to hang up my zero waste dustpan. I was able to also take a lot of the smaller tins and plastic containers, transfer those to the BPA spice tins, and that saved a lot of room in the kitchen. And then I repurposed this table that I received free on FreeCycle and went ahead and put a coat of soy wax on it, and that enabled me to get my convection oven and my air fryer off the counter. I also was able to give a pretty good clean from the video, as you saw, to this antique stove. And right here I'm actually going to have a video coming up on the blog because I'm going to build a cart for my KitchenAid mixer to go right there. Then I also went ahead, because I had a few extra minutes without my husband being home because he again took the little one and her friend to the park, I went ahead and took the countertop and stools that were in my kitchen, extended them out, and added 2 stools into my living room area. And I'm hoping this will give my little one and her friends that come over for playgroup an area to color and have a snack station, and still frees up a lot of room in my living room. And I was able to get the stools for free by using some of my bottom money, so that was an awesome free project right there. I also went back into the kitchen and went through my mason jar rings, and I'm hoping to do this cool project that I saw that you may have seen on Pinterest, where basically you take the different tones of metal rings, put them together, and make them into pumpkins for the fall. And that is it, folks. Again, this is a collab from Roxanne from The Guy's Life, and I will put the playlist for all the awesome ladies in this collab below for you to check out. And as always, thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, please be kind to yourself and to others, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks for watching.